Hey guys, before I begin my next video, I want to thank my latest donor, Christopher O. 1969. Thank you so much for your donation. That really helps out the channel. If you guys would like a shout out for a donation, you can go to Cash App Lidwetzel, one word. You can donate to my PayPal, which is in my bio, or you can send a super chat. And with that being said, enjoy the video. Today I am here at this abandoned David's Bridal in Niles, Ohio. This is right next to the Meijer, which was built in place of the Super Kmart, the famous last Super Kmart ever. So yeah, let's go walk around and see what we can find. So even though it's nighttime, you can see inside the store, and I did bring a flashlight just in case, but this place is obviously being repurposed into something. So there's a bunch of water in the dumpster. That's kind of disgusting. Yeah, it's just a bunch of trash. There's our logo scar. This place closed in, I think, 2023 or 2024. I'm not sure exactly when. Oh, wow. So this place was, it looks like this was totally gutted. And I don't know what it's gonna be. This reminds me of that abandoned Rite Aid in Fairlawn. There's the Meijer over there. So these signs were left behind. So even though they're gutting it inside, they still left. They're telling you where you can go instead of David's Bridal. Because I'm sure that, like, when this place closed, some people who were shopping here for their weddings and stuff were like, where the heck am I going to go? So they had to kind of put this up as a courtesy. But I just thought it's funny that they left these signs up and then gutted the inside. If anybody knows what this place is going to be, please let me know. We will walk around. This is a booming area. There's also another box-shaped store or restaurant being built right over there. And I don't know what that's gonna be either. So if anybody knows, let me know. It's a ditch back here. So I'm gonna squeeze through these pine trees because I am dedicated to getting the backside of the building. Wow. There it is, David's Bridal. Big ditch. Busy, busy area. Abandoned gas meter. I'm just kidding, it's not abandoned. All right. We left a pile of gravel here. And there's another label scar. Remember, you didn't do a comprehensive tour until you walked around the whole building. And then they have a convenient porta potty here. Did they put that there for the explorers? I wonder if they did. And the machinery. A scaffold, maybe? I'm sure somebody will correct me if it's wrong. This looks like, I don't know what this is, but it kind of looks like they got that from inside the store somewhere. And that's back around the front. We'll look inside one more time. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing here. Oh, so those things I just said I didn't know what they were on the ground, they were beans. All right, and that will complete my tour of the abandoned David's Bridal. If anybody knows what this will be, please tell me. It'd be kind of nice if they'd put up a sign that said coming soon or something. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video.